So hi friends, everyone wants to make a six pack and bicep, but it required a lot of hard work and dedication. But if you don't want to work hard, you don't have also much time. Today's video is for you. In this video I will tell you the most effective workout for six packs and a full body. Just one simple workout will give you the benefit of a full body workout. So subscribe our channel quickly before the awareness increase. So most people do crunchies for a six packs. Not of this workout make a six packs, but this workout only target our abdominal muscle. But the I am going to cover will target your whole bodies for this. Neither your body needs to more time and no any special training and no hard work also will be required. Just this 1 minute workout every day will make a big difference in your body. Before you know how to do it, you need to understand it more benefit, then you will understand it well and will continue to this workout and daily. Friends, your mental health will also be good with this diet workout. Your stress will also be released, the muscles become tired from the day's work and the mind also get tired. And the workout I am talking about is called the plank. When you do a plank, the body stretch, and because body stretch is beneficial, tension is released from the brain. So plank workout improves your body posture, the chance of a spine injury and reduced, and this can lead to relief from back pain because the plank strengthens the back muscles and then there is no back pain. So friends, people do separate workout to increase body strength, but if you don't want to work so hard, only plank will improve your body strength. The plank target all of your muscles as well as improve abdominal muscles. And six packs are also formed. Plank burns calories and muscles are formed. The less fat and more increased muscles. In one hand, our all body balance plank strengthen the abdominal muscles, so the abdominal muscles are also responsible for body balance. When these muscles are strong, body balance will automatically improve. So friends, after knowing so many benefits of such as easy workout, you must know how to do this workout. I still tell, first you go into push-up position, keeps your arm on the ground and keep your body straight. Keep your neck in line with your body. Keep your eyes on the ground. Don't look at the left or right. Don't hold your breath and don't breath take it fast. Breath normally and hold your body in the same position. The whole vision of your body will be on the arm. It will be difficult for you in starting. You can do this for 20 and 30 seconds easily. Day by day the time should be increased and gradually it should be taken up to 1 minute. 1 minute is enough, and within a few months you will start to see the result. You can do it for more than a minute too. A lot of people do this mistake while planking. Blend your lower back vertically. You don't do it. You have to keep the lower back and shoulder level. So friends, if you like my video, so kindly subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.